So hello everyone, this is Navneet Misra and today we have Meghnad from the IMA history. If I say IMA, that is from the CUT UG. Or what is the meaning of IMA?
Integrated of Master of Arts.
Integrated of Masters of Arts. That is 5 years का combined course and after 3 years you can get exit. So welcome to the session and please give a brief introduction to our audience. थोड़ा सा अपने बारे में बताएंगे.
Guys, myself Meghnad. I am from Nalgonda. I attempted CUT UG in 2025. I got seat in IMA history.
हाँ, तो 2025 के बैच के हैं. 2026 में हम देखेंगे कि what are the expected cut off क्या था last time भी, what will be the fee structure according to 25 basis and how the course curriculum here, बाकी क्या क्या मेस फैसिलिटी है, क्या हॉस्टल फैसिलिटी एंड ऑल. चलिए लेट्स स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जो बच्चों का कंसर्न रहता है कि इन हिस्ट्री व्हाट आर द अदर पेपर यू हैव टू राइट बिकॉज समटाइम्स इन डिफरेंट यूनिवर्सिटी देयर इज अ डोमेन, देयर इज अ लैंग्वेज. तो CUT UG में यहाँ पे हिस्ट्री में एडमिशन के लिए क्या करना पड़ता है?
भैया खाली सिंपल है भैया, खाली CUT UG को अटेम्प्ट करना है, उसमें जनरल टेस्ट लेना है. जनरल टेस्ट बेस्ड में वो रैंक लेता है.
अच्छा, और जनरल टेस्ट ओनली GAT.
And English is a qualifying paper.
So English is qualifying, need not to worry about that.
Okay, that's it.
That's it. तो क्या कट ऑफ था लास्ट टाइम?
Last time there will be different number of seats in different subjects. In history for OBC there are 30 seats. Total in history there are 35 seats.
Okay. History में 35
seats.
Oh my god.
Second highest.
Second highest.
After
सब ज़्यादा
political
science has 50 seats.
50 seats.
History has 35 seats.
seats.
Oh great यार. हाँ.
I got in OBC category I got 30th number, 30th rank.
क्या था आपका स्कोर?
Score 120.
120. तो जनरल का नियरली 130 140 में हो जाएगा.
हो जाएगा.
इकोनॉमिक्स का उससे ज्यादा रहता है.
इकोनॉमिक्स का 130 प्लस ही हो जाएगा.
130 प्लस या नियरली 150 के आसपास अगर जनरल है तो. और कौन कौन से कोर्सेज हैं यार इन द सोशल साइंस?
हिस्ट्री है भैया, पॉलिटिकल साइंस, इकोनॉमिक्स, सोशियोलॉजी एंड एंथ्रोपोलॉजी.
तो it is not necessarily you should take history. Once you come here, according to score you go. Because just after class 12, you are not very sure कि मुझे क्या पढ़ना है. If you are too much social science oriented, then you can go for sociology, history, political science. Otherwise, आपका mathematics है background, and if you are little bit inclined towards the science, stats, maths, then you can take economics.
Yes, sir.
तो what did you think when you join here? कि क्या लेना है, कौन सा subject?
Firstly, I got seat in Delhi भैया.
दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी
KMC में सीट आया था.
देखिए भाई किरोड़ी मल छोड़ के आए हैं यार, तो रियली हैट्स ऑफ कि कोई दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी छोड़ के KMC छोड़ के HCU में आया है. Where did you leave DU?
Because my father told that you have the food disorder. Food infection.
Oh, food infection. And
you can
staying
stay in
outside in the
HCU.
Delhi, yeah, it's tough. And also in DU there is no hostel facility. तो यहाँ पे hostel है. Everybody gets hostel.
Everybody gets hostel and mess and with full security.
Full security. The safety
Safety is main important. Then studies.
It's night के nearly 11 o'clock. अभी रात के 11 बजे हैं. And likewise, it's not only male. You will find lots of female here. There is a parity between gender parity. Male female सब हैं साथ रहते हैं. There is a full sense of security. अच्छा हाँ, जब हम बात कर लेते हैं मेस की, तो मेस में कितने टाइम खाना मिलता है?
भैया सुबह 7:30 को स्टार्ट होता है भैया. 7:30 से 9 बजे तक. और आफ्टरनून पे 1 से 2:30
यानी लंच हो गया, ब्रेकफास्ट हो गया एंड नाइट में सेम
7:30 to 9.
मेस बिल कितना आता है मंथली?
पर इट विल बी अराउंड 3000.
सो अराउंड 3000 मेस बिल है. स्कॉलरशिप इज आल्सो देयर.
डैग स्कॉलरशिप
अराउंड 1000 पर मंथ. क्या क्राइटेरिया है? इनकम लेवल कितना होना चाहिए? 8 लाख?
2 lakhs below. There should be a limit.
Anyway, you live in India, so you can manage it. I know. It's not a big deal being an Indian. Let's take pride here. Yeah, corruption is a pride for all of us. Anyway, so scholarship everybody gets. ठीक है. Coming to the other part, when it comes to the hostel, कि क्या 24/7 hostel है या is there any restriction? Because you will find when, especially in the North India, there is a PG system. कि after 10 o'clock, after 9 o'clock, you cannot go out. स्पेशली फीमेल, जैसे BHU में, BHU इज अ गुड इंस्टीट्यूट, वहाँ फीमेल को रात के 10 बजे नॉट अलाउड है. तो व्हाट आर द प्रोविजन इन HCU? HCU का क्या रूल है?
देयर इज नो प्रोविजंस फॉर मेंस. दे कैन कम 24/7. द पीपल कैन कम एंड गो. एंड वुमेन्स आल्सो लाइक दैट.
अच्छा, women जो है, गर्ल्स आर अलाउड इन बॉयज हॉस्टल आल्सो, लाइक इफ यू हैव सम फ्रेंड्स, बर्थडे सेलिब्रेशन और समथिंग, ग्रुप स्टडी एंड ऑल. सो इज इट अलाउड ऑफिशियली under the supervision of security?
No भैया.
it's not allowed.
Not allowed.
No, that we need to talk
yes.
of, because many times I saw there is a misnomer.
Hmm.
So according to official rule, it is not allowed.
Not allowed.
And same applies to the boys.
Boys.
Boys are also not
Not
allowed
allowed.
because of the security
Security reasons.
But you can hang out in the classes, the campus and all.
There is a lot of area in the campus.
There is a lots of area in the campus. Anyway, so Meghnad is really a very mischievous guy.
Huh.
Now coming to the course, when you join history, so
Yes,
you
bhaiya.
have to study only history or other paper as well?
No, bhaiya, there is a, if we got our core history, we can choose sociology,
Okay.
political science, economics as our elective.
Elective.
The core paper is mandatory. And
Mandatory.
elective we can
Choose. There will
three,
be
any
options.
three. Any three.
So
And
they don't provide history honors, they provide BA history.
BA history.
Okay, this will be BA history, but history ka paper will be quite enough, so you will
yes.
be have no sufficient knowledge. So after 3 years there is a exit provision.
Yes, bhaiya.
And now coming to the examination pattern, your semesters and all. So क्या examination यहाँ होता है, internal and all क्या है?
There will be 3 internals in a semester, and afterwards, based on your internal marks, total 40 marks they will add out of 60. Best 40.
Okay.
They will add in the final semester, final exam.
And 60 wala.
60 marks will be the final semester.
So 100 wala this.
हाँ, हो गया.
Now we'll be talking just the last thing. अब ये बताइए, once you join here, like for the admission counseling, you come, your result come, then you are given the date, you please come on the date. On the same date you get admission or hostel or what? What are the provision? What are total procedure? क्या क्या procedure है?
भैया काउंसलिंग दिन में ही हमको हॉस्टल मिलता है पूरा एक ही
सारा.
दिन में
No,
पूरा हो
because
जाता है.
many people if they come from Delhi, Patna, Bihar, lots of region, Bengal, तो उनको ये लगेगा कि यहाँ मैं एडमिशन पाने लाऊं, फिर 2 दिन होटल लेके रहूं, तो ऐसी कर कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
एक ही दिन में पूरा हो जाता है. There is no guarantee that if you get more marks or less marks you will get the seat.
Yes. So definitely paper
Sometimes it will be depends na bhaiya.
depends upon.
My friend got around 65 rank, but he got the seat
Okay.
in sociology. My another friend got 30 rank, but he did not get the seat.
So it's also up to the category
yes.
and all. Right. चलिए, according to you, you just came CUT UG के तहत, and in India, if you see the India level, BA करने के लिए it's BA program,
yes,
graduation. तो UG के लिए इंडिया में what are the top 4-5 institutes under CUT?
First Delhi University,
Delhi University,
BHU,
BHU,
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad.
The
So
next
this
is
is the
Hyderabad.
top 3.
Yes.
And not JNU, because JNU does not
JNU is
provide the social
Social
science courses,
sciences,
it is the
foreign
language
languages.
courses. And sometimes I find, HU is better than BHU in terms of, safety, in terms of hostels provision and in terms of course curriculum as well. Because here academia is better. Especially I would say if you come from the North India, because after class 12 it's difficult to go Hyderabad and all. The expenditure is very less. अभी monthly expenditure आपका कितना आ जाता है?
खाली 2000 भैया. 2000.
So मतलब चाय गुटखा बीड़ी पान मसाला खाने के लिए 2000 3000 mess bill. Doesn't matter whether you eat or not.
yes,
That is snacks, biscuits, चाय, whatever you say. So बीड़ी पान मसाला आप लोग खाते हैं तो it's all up to you. अगर नहीं खाते हो तो that is nothing. So mess में 3 time आपको खाना मिलेगा, कभी कभी feast भी हो जाता है. तो अगर if you just eat in mess bill 3000 के आसपास आएगा, no extra expenditure. Anything Meghnad you wanted to add?
I want to say one thing, that if you choose Delhi, there will be some restrictions.
Yes.
If you choose HCU, there will be no restrictions.
Completely no restrictions. And there is no hegemony.
The faculty will be also very friendly with us.
2 faculty अभी उधर घूम ही रहे हैं. तो it will be like that. And see, there is no hegemony.
Fests bhaiya, different types of fests are there in HCU.
HCU, yes. And you and every next week there will be some cultural activities.
yes bhaiya.
The same thing you tell. कभी तेलुगु feast हो रहा है, कभी मिलाप हो रहा है, कभी उड़िया feast हो रहा है, कभी सुकून हो रहा है. Every next week you will find and you can participate in all of these events. So काफी कल्चरल माहौल अच्छा रहेगा. You will have sports facility. So how do you say that? क्या sports facility है कैंपस में?
भैया स्पोर्ट्स फैसिलिटी बहुत है भैया. IUT है. कोई भी इंटरेस्ट रहता तो क्रिकेट और खो-खो, कबड्डी, वॉलीबॉल, कुछ भी
इंटर स्कूल टूर्नामेंट होते रहता है.
इधर होता है और IUT भी होता है.
yes.
IUT में वो स्कॉलरशिप भी मिलता है ना, 5000 मिलता है.
5000, yes.
Select हुआ तो.
So inter-university he is saying, and apart from that, on the personal level, you can go for the running, evening walk, बैडमिंटन है, टेबल टेनिस है, लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स.
Peaceful environment.
Peaceful environment है, greenery
relaxation.
campus. When comes to the pollution and AQI, the HCU is unbeatable.
Yes, bhaiya. 100%.
100%. And you, it's not, you know, I am staying here for almost a decade. This I am saying, he's just a new guy. And the best part I found, usually you won't find any kind of discrimination or ragging here.
No ragging.
No ragging at all. See, we are almost a age gap of 8 to 10 years.
Yes, bhaiya.
But we consider ourselves as a friend only.
Yes, bhaiya.
So there is no hegemony also, and same with the faculties also. So such kind of cultures, you know, is seen in European countries. So we are having such things. तो इस चीज़ को आप प्राइड लें. एज ए पेरेंट्स अगर आप यह वीडियो देख रहे हैं तो इसको एज ए पॉजिटिव लें. मैं इनका टेलीग्राम मैं इनका ईमेल आईडी और इंस्टाग्राम आईडी डिस्क्रिप्शन में लगा दूंगा, सो दैट यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट हिम, मेघनाथ का. एंड चलिए, एनी लास्ट वर्ड्स ऑफ एडवाइस यू वांट टू गिव टू द स्टूडेंट्स और पेरेंट्स?
Yes, bhaiya.
प्लीज शेयर.
In Delhi or BHU, anything, wherever you go in the India, there is no environment for relaxation. In HCU, there are 1800 acres.
2300 acres.
2300 acres, sorry.
So it's a big campus.
Big campus. We can live safely.
Yes, you
The
can
parents
roam.
also, the parents can
You can roam
live
around, and
happily.
it has nearly 160 170 security guards, 24/7 security. Women's safety is there, so you can watch for it.
There is no ragging, first of all.
There is no ragging at all.
It is main point.
And apart from that, it is interdisciplinary also. If you come from social science, so you can attend lots of seminar, workshop in science programs also. You can attend lots of events in different stream also. So that provision is also there.
For suppose you are preparing for a civil servant or civil servant jobs, there are IAS also coming into our campus.
For the talks,
they will give seminars
and these all are
talks.
free only. You don't have to pay for all these things.
We can just visit and listen to them.
Yes. तो चलिए, we'll wrap up here, and thank you for the joining, and we'll meet once more if it is possible via Gmeet. We can meet on
yes,
the
bhaiya.
Google Meet. After the result is out, then people are in the trouble कि कहाँ जाऊँ, कैसे जाऊँ, what rank we got. Parents are the in big panic mode कि क्या क्या लेके जाऊँ बच्चों के लिए. सारा सामान वो लेके आ जाते हैं. तो everything here we have. So you just come with the laptop and basic clothes, everything you will. So we'll have one more discussion with him. And as of now, I think this information is sufficient. Please share this video among your friends, among your parents, and among your juniors, so that they get to know about the HCU. क्योंकि seat number बहुत ज़्यादा है, history में 35. After DU, BHU, one of the highest seat in the social science, political science में 50 है. And you are free to take any subject if you get good score in GAT, General Aptitude Test. That is the only thing you have to focus.
English qualifying paper.
English qualifying.
paper.
चलिए, thank you so much, and please wish to the students for their exam, क्योंकि मई में उनका एग्जाम है.
All the best students. We are waiting for you.
चलो, we all are waiting for you. So best wishes. चलिए, thank you.
Thank you.